If you ever accidentally turned on the inverted colors or color inversion on your Samsung phone with Android 15, here's where you can go to either turn this off or turn it on. In the first part of the video, I'll show you where to go to turn it off if you accidentally turned it on. So first things first, you always want to go ahead and hold down on the volume up and down keys together at the same time for 3 seconds. You might have accidentally turned on the shortcut. If not, you'll go ahead into the quick axis, pull it down once or twice until you see the settings toggle appear at the top right. Once you're in this section here now, you can either type in the words color inversion in the search settings or just go down until you see accessibility, which would be this one here. As you enter here now, you're going to see the vision enhancements, this part right there. From here now, you want to go down and you're going to see color inversion. You can choose to turn it off from here, but I would suggest you go into it so you can see if the shortcut has been enabled. So I'll turn it off from here now and everything's going to be back to normal. Now, if your shortcut was enabled, you want to go ahead and turn that off. But if you want this feature, you want to use it all the time, so you'll turn it on here, and these are the certain ways in which you can access it. The quick panel access here would, once you press OK on that, you will now have access to it as part of the toggles here. So One UI 7 will look different now, and you'll see color inversion over here. So you can on and off at any given time once it's there. And you can leave that there if you so choose to do that. Now you also have, going back here, the little icon down here, as we're all familiar with, this guy right down here, or tapping on the settings would be this floating icon if you want it. That's really just up to you if that's how you want it. If you accidentally press the volume keys and you keep turning it on by mistake, then it could be that these here are checked in, and that's how you're actually enabling the inverted colors by mistake all the time. So just make sure you turn them all off by unchecking them. And if you uncheck one of them and you just don't want the shortcut at all, just turn it off from here and you'll back out of here and you should be back to your normal color display, like and so.